Okay, so in this problem, we have to find the voltage on elements D and F. We've also got to find the current passing through A. Let's start with D first. We're at the beginning of your class and you don't know much, so it's best to use the voltage law, KVL, to figure this one out. In basic bitch terms, all the voltage gains and losses in a loop have to balance out. To do this, just start at a node in your circuit and draw a path that comes back to it. As you pass through the voltages, you have to count them up. Going from minus to plus is a rise, or gain. Going from plus to minus is a fall, or loss. Rises get written positive and falls get written as negative, all on the left side of the equation. The right side is always a zero, because of balance and stuff. You can make whatever path you want and go in any direction too. But I like to make my loop in a way where I pass through the element I'm solving as a voltage rise. It just gets rid of unwanted negatives when you do that. So I'm going to do a counterclockwise loop and write out all my terms. It solves to give me VD equals 8. Whatever. Maths and stuff. Next up is VF. It's a voltage, so use the voltage law. Can't go wrong with that, I guess. Follow the same procedure from before to get VF. See how you pass through D? Didn't we just figure out that D was 8? I'm not lazy, I'm just efficient. Oh, look. We pass through an empty line in this one. Empty lines just get 0 voltage. Eh? It be that way. Anyway, VF ends up being negative 2 volts. Nothing wrong with that. It just means that the way it's drawn on paper is backwards to how it would be in real life. It's negative sign semantics, people. Comes with the territory. Moving on to the current in A. The voltage law is for voltages. So, yeah, current law for currents. The idea here is that current is like water. What flows into a node must flow out. Inflow is positive and outflow is negative. The right side of the equation gets set as 0 to represent balance. Seeing a pattern here. For the current law, your focus is on the node that a current flows through, not the element itself. Don't mess that up. Voltage and currents have different ways to approach them. Current flows through individual nodes and voltage sit between 2 nodes at a time. Don't worry too much about that for now, though. Set up the equation, and IA ends up being negative 2. Welcome to Circuits, y'all. Here's a shameless plug as the finale. See you guys around.